Hello and welcome, night owls. You've stumbled upon a fresh corner of the internet, a haven where night shift workers can find solace and tranquility. This is your new lighthouse in the dark, guiding you towards relaxation and peace after a hard night's work. Our mission? To offer you a collection of guided meditation sessions and relaxation techniques specifically designed for those of us who work while the rest of the world sleeps. Because let's face it, the night shift can be a real hoot. We understand that unwinding after work isn't always as simple as flicking a switch, especially when you're up against the sun, but don't worry, we've got your back, or rather, your mind. We'll be sharing content that will help you de-stress, relax, and find that much-needed zen. So if you're looking for some tranquility after your shift ends, you're in the right place. Stick around, it's going to be a calming ride. Why meditation, you ask? Well, it's not just because it's trendy. Now let's talk about the night owls among us, those who burn the midnight oil. Not out of choice, but because the world needs them to. Night shift workers, we're looking at you. The challenges you face are unique, and so should be the solutions. Among these solutions, meditation has emerged as a powerful ally. Let's break it down. Working the night shift can throw off your body's internal clock, leading to increased stress levels, difficulty sleeping, and trouble focusing. This is where meditation steps in. Imagine it as a cool, calming balm for your overworked brain, helping to soothe the stress and guide you into a state of relaxation. Studies have shown that meditation can significantly reduce stress levels. It's like hitting the mute button on all those pesky worries that keep you up at night. And who doesn't love a good mute button, right? But it doesn't stop there. Meditation can also improve your sleep quality. A research study found that individuals who meditated regularly fell asleep faster and stayed asleep longer than those who didn't. Now that's something to sleep on. But the benefits of meditation aren't just limited to nighttime. It can also boost your focus during your shift. You see, meditation is like a workout for your brain. It strengthens your ability to concentrate, making it easier to stay on task even in the wee hours of the morning. So whether you're a night shift nurse caring for patients, a security guard keeping watch, or a baker preparing the day's bread, meditation could be the secret weapon you've been looking for. To sum it up, meditation isn't just for the Zen masters or the lifestyle gurus, it's for anyone and everyone who could use a little more calm in their life. So meditation isn't just a fad, it's a scientifically proven way to improve your well-being, especially if you're working those late-night shifts. Now let's dive into our guided meditation session. No yoga mats required, just an open mind. Begin by finding a comfortable position. It could be sitting, lying down, or even standing, whatever feels right for you. There's no wrong way to meditate as long as you're comfortable. Close your eyes gently, feel your eyelids getting heavier as if they're sinking into a soft pillow. Let's take a deep breath in, hold it for a beat, and then exhale slowly. Repeat this a few times, allowing the rhythm of your breath to guide you into a state of relaxation. Now imagine you're standing in a peaceful garden. The air is fresh and cool, carrying the faint scent of blooming flowers. The only sound you hear is the gentle rustling of leaves, creating a soft melody that lulls you into deeper relaxation. In this garden, there's a stream flowing softly. The water is clear and serene, reflecting the radiant light of the moon. You approach the stream and notice how the moonlight dances on the water surface, creating a mesmerizing spectacle of light and shadow. As you observe this scene, imagine the stream carrying away all your worries, stress, and fatigue. Visualize each concern as a leaf floating on the water, being gently carried downstream away from you. With each leaf that drifts away, feel your body becoming lighter and more relaxed. Now let's return to our breath. Inhale deeply, imagining the fresh, cool air of the garden filling your lungs. Then exhale slowly, releasing any remaining tension. Feel your body sinking deeper into relaxation, your mind becoming clearer with each breath. Let's take a moment to appreciate this peaceful state. Notice how your body feels. Are there any areas where you're holding tension? If so, send a gentle breath to that area, encouraging it to relax. Remember, this peaceful garden is always within you. Whenever you feel overwhelmed or stressed, you can return to this place of tranquility. Feel the calmness spreading through your body. You're halfway there. Let's continue our journey towards tranquility. Close your eyes once more and take a deep, soothing breath. Fill your lungs with peace and exhale any lingering tensions. Imagine your breath as a gentle breeze washing over you, carrying away the worries of the day. Envision yourself standing at the edge of a tranquil lake. Its surface, still and glass-like, reflects the glowing moonlight. The night air is cool and crisp, and all around you the world is silent save for the soft whispers of the wind. Draw in another breath, deep and slow, and as you exhale, imagine ripples spreading out across the lake, disrupting the serene reflection. Each ripple represents a thought, a worry, a task left undone. Watch as they spread out, fade, and eventually disappear, leaving the surface of the lake smooth and calm once again. Let this image of the lake be a mirror to your mind. Each breath you take sends ripples across your consciousness. Each thought that arises is acknowledged and then allowed to fade, leaving only tranquility in its wake. Immerse yourself in the serenity of the moment, allowing the stillness to soak into your very core. Let your body relax, feeling a gentle weightlessness as if you are floating on the surface of the lake, carried by the cool, serene water. Breathe in deeply, drawing in the peace and quiet around you. As you exhale, let go of any remaining tension, releasing it into the night. Feel the tranquility seeping into your muscles, your bones, your heart. Let it fill you from the inside out, replacing stress with serenity, worry with peace, tension with relaxation. Take one more deep breath, and as you release it, open your eyes, bringing yourself back to the present. Carry this sense of tranquility with you, let it linger, let it soothe your mind and body. Take a moment to appreciate the peace you've created within yourself. Well, that was a soothing adventure, wasn't it? We've journeyed through the quiet realms of relaxation, and I hope you feel a sense of peace that carries you through your night. I want to take a moment to thank you truly for joining me on this journey. Your time is precious, and I appreciate you sharing it with me. I encourage you, wholeheartedly, to make this meditation a part of your daily routine. After the hustle and bustle of your shift, this can be your sanctuary, a place to unwind and de-stress. Remember, it's not just about relaxation. It's about regaining your balance, your energy, and your sense of self. The benefits are profound, and they're within your grasp. If you enjoyed this content and want more calm in your life, give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Remember, peace is just a click away.